We started ISS 17 years ago.
Three-day event. We have over 40 sessions and about 45 speakers. Conferences like this allow folks to stay current on what's happening. So our conference attracts risk and security professionals as well as IT professionals.
It's a great networking opportunity to form business relationships.
It's heavily attended. There's a lot of traffic going through the hallways all day, which is great.
It's a wonderful conference. I mean, you have all the major companies in Northern Ohio, people that I wouldn't have gotten in front of otherwise.
Information Security Summit is a nonprofit run by volunteers. So we put on a conference every year for regional folks around information security, risk management, compliance, and we solicit where we can local speakers. It's really an event for the local information security community. However, we do attract national sponsors and national speakers.
For me, it's the knowledge, learning different viewpoints, hearing even other attendees in the breakout sessions and things like that, share their experiences.
There's not a lot of depth in the industry, and so to have an event such as ISS that literally has been growing and continuing to offer back to the community for more than 20 years, that's really saying something.
Companies love sending their employees here who need to earn hours towards their certifications, especially if they're a local company. It's way cheaper to send people to our conference locally than to spend, tens of thousands sending them to Vegas or Orlando. Plus, it's a really great opportunity for local security professionals to meet with each other, network with each other, and learn from each other.
This is our fourth consecutive year. We consider it one of the best pure cybersecurity conferences in Ohio. I recommend this ISSA conference because you're not going to get better education in cybersecurity on the street anywhere else.
Someone is on the fence about coming to an event like the IS Summit. I would say, listen, you got to get out there and you got to start talking to your community. We have a lot of great data to take back and actually make our product stronger, so the conference is more than paid for itself.
If you're interested in learning about cybersecurity, if you're interested in learning about the new companies in the space as well as the old, this is definitely the place you want to be in Cleveland.